18 कंटेस्टेंट के साथ लिखने जा रहा है बिग बॉस के घर का एक और नया अध्याय एंड दिस सीजन विल बी ऑल अबाउट द साजिश एंड शतरंज। एम आई द ओनली वन या फिर आप भी यंग सलमान को देखकर इमोशनल हो गए? फर्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट हु एंटर्ड टू द शो वाज चाहत पांडे। शी वाज क्यूट, बबली, बट शी वाज लुकिंग मोर फेक। आरो और गीजर में पता नहीं होना was proved that she is actually over dramatic. Big Boss predicted कि चाहत will be the first contestant to go to the jail, लेकिन उनको एक ऑफर दिया कि आप अपना भविष्य बदल सकती हैं अगर आप दो कंटेस्टेंट को कन्विंस कर ले कि आपकी जगह वो जेल चले जाए। सेकंड एंड थर्ड कंटेस्टेंट आर शहजादा धामी एंड अविनाश मिश्रा। शहजादा was trying to victimizing himself, लेकिन सलमान did not give any भाव to his story. Avinash was sounding more humble, more intelligent and more calm. And do you really think he is actually calm and kind? And this factor is actually interesting कि चाहत and Avinash have worked together. Fourth contestant was Shilpa Shirodkar and personally I just loved her and she proved that 90s actress beauty was actually so real. बॉस के घर में जाने के लिए actually excited and confident दिख रही थी. Fifth contestant is तेजेंद्र पाल सिंह बग्गा and let's see कि वो घर में क्या करते हैं. Sixth contestant is Shrutika Raj and she gonna be the chatterbox of this season and she will be a big mouth and she is actually so innocent and I feel that whatever she was saying it was just real. She was not being over dramatic. Seventh contestant is Naira Banerjee and audience have so much of expectations with Naira. Eighth contestant was चुमदरम और मुझे नहीं समझ आया कि वो इतना सीरियस क्यों हो रही थी but she was looking intelligent so I am very much excited to see कि what actual चुमदरम is. And thank God कि सही समय पे बग्गा जी को रियलाइज हो गया कि ये बिग बॉस का घर है या कैमरे लगे वरना ऑडियंस को क्या देखना पड़ जाता। नाइन्थ कंटेस्टेंट इज करणवीर मेहरा एंड ही वाज साउंडिंग calm, composed, intelligent, shy and smart enough. I have so much of faith on Karanveer Mehra and in this whole episode there was only contestant who shined was Karanveer Mehra and he gonna be coming out as the most real contestant of this season. 10th contestant is Rajat Dalal और उनकी बातें सुनकर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था he came here to whitewash himself and I really like it जो करण ने रजत दलाल को suggestions दी for his betterment. 11th contestant मुस्कान बामने और उनसे ज्यादा entertaining entry तो गदराज की थी. 12th and 13th contestant Arfin Khan and his wife Sara Arfin Khan and I am very much excited to see both of them कि how intelligent they are, how Arfin Khan gonna be manipulate housemates. 14th contestant Isha Singh and she was looking well planned. 15th contestant Gunratna Sadavarte. He gonna be a big mouth and the biggest entertainer of this season. But there are high chances that he might be a fusky bum as well. 16th contestant Viral Babi Hema Sharma and she was quite nervous. 17th contestant Viven Dasana and am I the only one who felt कि Viven actually में उतना handsome नहीं है जितना audience were expecting? And somebody please tell me, is there any history about Viven and Isha? Last and 18th contestant Alice Kaushik. She was sounding actually strong contestant and her journey was really commendable. Big Boss predicted कि इस season के top 2 Alice Kaushik and Viven Dasena होने वाले हैं और ये announcement घर वालों के सामने करना. Is it going to be in favor of Viven and Alice or it going to be against Viven and Alice? Now you guys let me know in the comment section कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग कौन सा कंटेस्टेंट लगा।